Well, g'day viewers, Rob here. Welcome to Flies Outback Adventures. Another episode. Yes, it's been a while, but I thought I'd add one in today. Today's a very quick one. I've just got myself a 30-second wind wall awning kit for my awning that the 30-second awning comes with. Now, plenty of videos, I think I've shown it before, how quickly it's come out on one of the ones that I've done once before, a long time ago. But I thought I'd just show you the awning kit. So you can have a bit of a squiz. Well, here we go, and I've got it deployed. It took me a little while to work out what I was doing, as I haven't done this before, but very simple. Now, what I've done, I've put some guide ropes in just for the sake of demonstration. Now, you should be able to see this one here, right? Now, this one here, this is for the purpose of tying down a little bit on the top, as in the roof of the awning itself. It pulls down a point there so you can have rain run off there straight over your door and drain inside. Now, if you have your door closed, obviously, down through here. And I have another one put up right over top of one of my tent peaks. And as you can see by the tent peak, it just goes down, into the ground there. I'll see if I can do it. Just down into the ground there. It's probably a little bit better, right? Now, that's purely just so for demonstration purposes, I'll put those two in there, just so you can see how it can give it a little bit of additional strength to the structure for wind and rain and so forth. Now, the main reason I bought this thing is for when I ditch my caravan and I travel off and I go living out of the van, out of my ute, and I go into remote destinations. Sometimes it rains and you got a bit of shitty weather and you want a bit of protection from there. So I thought I'd get one of these, and I'm just finished setting it up, so I'll just give you a bit of a show. And I'll walk around and I'll just have a bit of a look at it. Now, there's the ute hidden underneath there. You can see there's a couple of sides. There's a door around the far side, window here. And as we come up to this side here, another window around here. And again round here. Now, I haven't got this side here tied in too much. I've just left it loose so I can walk in and out and so forth. But this is inside the area. And there's the part, the main beams which support everything. Right, now this is the legs. Now I'm going to have to try and prop this up and see if it hopefully gets everything. So hopefully you can see everything from there. Right, it's a simple matter of twist, and it flicks up, and I hold it up like that there. I throw a couple of velcros, so it's just always there. Lift it up a bit, twist and lock. Job done. And as you can see, there's plenty of room here. Right, I'll stand right up against the washing. There's the back of the ute and everything else. So I've got areas there I can slide out my drawer, which have tables and everything else there. So this can give a fair bit of protection when the weather turns to shit when I'm out in the bush or something of that nature. So anyway, this is what it is. And I'll give you a bit of a show as to how easy this thing comes together and comes apart. Again, I'll prop it up over here. Hopefully this thing will see me, so I'm not sure how well that goes. But it literally has some zippers here, and you literally just, of course, it's on the outside. I have to show it from the outside. That was really stupid. Right, there we go. I'll do it from this side. How's that? And of course, now it's... Why is it showing me? Should be showing the tent. I don't know what's going on now. I think it's still showing me. Is it still recording? I have no idea. There we go. That's the tent. That's what I want. And literally, there it is there. It's just a zipper. Right, so you zip it back up together and she holds together. And that there's what joins the two if I walk around down here. And of course I can't reach these parts because I've got everything tied in on the pegs. Oh no, it's down on the ground, that's right. Down on the ground, so. Geez. Let's put the what's on. That's how the walls zip together. Pretty simple. Nothing technical, so. Perfect one-person job. Let's go have a look, see how that turned out, eh?